Hey guys, I'm Sierra. Welcome to my channel. I'm so upset because the video with me doing her eyeshadow got deleted somehow. So this one will be mainly focused on her face. But I did show you guys what Tarte palette I used and the colors. You know, I tried to show what colors, but it's really hard to see. So I'll just put everything in a description box below that I used for her eyes. Her eyebrows as well was done off camera, and her skincare was too. I did put moisturizer, primer, just protected her from all of the makeup that I'm about to put on her face. And yeah, we're gonna get started. The first thing that I used was the Fenty Beauty liquid foundation, and I use a beauty blender to like blend that all out, you know. And we're just gonna put that all over her face. And you wanna blend that in good. You wanna pat it into the skin, not like rubbing it, if that makes any sense. It will smudge it all over and it will look a hot mess. So you don't want that. You want it to just blend flawlessly. So just pat it in, you know, give it that airbrush look. Okay, so right here I'll be taking a CC cream and I'm gonna put that around the outer parts of her face to kind of like sculpt out the areas that I will be contouring. And then afterwards I will start the contouring process. Like I use like two different colors to contour. I use one that's like a little lighter, but it like sculpts the places that I'm going to contour to kind of give it that sharp look. Okay, so right here I'm gonna take a contour brush and a Tarte contour palette and start with the contouring process. I'm gonna use a powder first, well this powder first, and then I'm gonna use another powder after this one to kind of darken it up a little bit so it could be more defined. I was also standing in like an awkward spot, so you see how awkward my hand looks. But I'm gonna fix that, and you'll see how I fix it on here as well. You want to make sure you blend out your contour too. I use a beauty blender to like take whatever foundation that's left on it to kind of go over the areas that I want to sculpt out the line at. If that make any sense? To give it more defined. And just blend that all out so it could all look airbrushed in the end. Now I'm taking the concealer and placing it. It's a Bare Minerals concealer I was showing you. I'm placing under her eyes, down the bridge of her nose, and a little on her forehead. And I'm gonna blend that out as well. Okay, so now I'm about to take a CoverGirl powder. It's really old, so I don't know the name of this one because everything is like faded on it. But I'm gonna take it and contour her nose and her cheekbones again. This one is a little darker, so it'll be more defined with this one. And that'll be the end of the contouring process that I do. Now you're just gonna blend that all out. Make sure you don't have any lines. Make sure everything look like shadows when you turn and stuff. And yeah, you're done with your contouring. I will do another in-depth video where you can really see how I contour and stuff with better lighting. This one is just like my very first trial run. But I will have better ones, trust me, where you can see exactly what I'm doing. Now I'm about to take Anglowla by the Crayon Case. It's my favorite highlighter ever. But a little bit goes a long way. This will last you a very long time. You just take a very little bit because it will be all over the place. And you want to make sure you blend it out afterwards. You don't want to just have it sitting on top of your face. I do apply her lashes off camera. I can do a video strictly on lashes if you want to see those, but I'm pretty sure everybody know how to put the lashes on. But if not, trust me, it's no problem at all. But that's it. You just finish it up with some finishing spray, and here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching my very first YouTube video. You can subscribe and let me know in the comments when you do, and I'll subscribe back to you. Don't forget to like this video, and I'll come to your page and do the same for you. Thank you so much.